Good morning, student. Namaskaram. Today we are going to discuss one topic from the 12th physics. So 12th physics, class 12th physics and chapter name ray optics. Topic name formation of rainbow. Okay. Already we are all familiar with that rainbow. Okay. So rainbow. Okay. So rainbow is the one mesmerizing phenomenon of light. Okay, light is begin for that rainbow. So now uh, picture this. That is sun is there. Okay, sun is there. Sunlight coming like this. Okay, sunlight coming through the atmosphere. Here is one raindrop. Okay, this is a raindrop. Sunlight enters into that raindrop. Okay, and there are some concept is there, that is refraction, reflection, dispersion. Okay, so sunlight enters it into this water droplet, and what will happen? It is a most interesting phenomenon of that light. Okay. Okay. So formation of rainbow, which is consist of like first one, water droplets. Okay, this is water droplet. There must be tiny water droplets in the air. Typically, after a rain shower near a waterfall, okay, so there must be a tiny water droplets in the air. Yeah, already we know that. Okay, and then refraction. Refraction. So refraction means light enters into another medium, from the one medium to another medium. It deviates from its normal position. Already we know that it deviates from its normal position, normal line. Yeah. So it is called as refraction, path deviation. Okay. So sunlight enters the drop. It bent. Here bent. Okay, bent. Because this is here, it has something refractive index. Already we know that for that air, refractive index is 1 or vacuum. Okay. So water droplet nearly something higher than that air, 1.33 something, whatever else. Okay. So medium to medium, sunlight also light. Okay, so light bends here from medium to medium, light bends on that surface, so it bends. This bending are called as refraction happens because light travels at different speed in the different medium. You may know that speed of light in vacuum or air, and the speed of light in some other medium which is very less than that speed of light in the air, yeah, or vacuum. So here air, the speed of light is, which is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, but this is something like that water or glass or maybe. So in that case, light travels little bit slower than the air medium. So speed varies. So speed varies, light bending. It is called as a refraction. Okay. So also due to the refract index, because refract index dependent on that speed of the light. Okay, speed of the light of the in that two medium. So it mainly depends on the speed. So air, water in this case. So refraction happens by this. And then reflection. Reflection means light encounters on that some surface. Suppose light encounters on the surface and reflected back to the same medium is called as reflection. Yeah, reflected back to the same medium is called as reflection. So here inside the raindrop, the light encounters the inner surface. This is called as inner surface. This is called as outer surface. So light encounters the inner surface. At a specific angle, light bounces back. Yeah. At a specific angle, light bounces back. Some rays passing through this inner surface, like bending. Okay. Some rays, because of this angle, light bounces back into that same raindrop. This is called as reflection or internal reflection. Okay. So again, this light coming to this surface and this surface, this area, this medium and this medium various. So light again refraction here. The reflected light then exists in the raindrop, bending against once more. So it re-indents into the air. So this is a refraction. So now we are familiar with that concept of rainbow formation in that um, case. That is refraction, reflection, again refraction, water droplet must. Okay. Okay. So when sunlight enters the water droplet, it slows down and bends due to change in medium. This is called as refraction. Again, in that water droplet or a prism or glass, light separated into once enter, light separated into constitutional colors because sunlight is not a white light. Sunlight is not a single light. It is a white light. Yeah. So white light means white is not a color. White is a combination of other colors. Already you know that. Yeah. White is not a color. It combination of all the colors. BGR, violet, indigo, blue, red, green, orange, etc. Okay. So in that case, as the light passes through the water droplet, it is split into individual colors. That process is known as dispersion. Okay. That process is known as dispersion. Why is that color split into something separated colors? Because each color, because we have seven colors in that rainbow with GR, yeah. So each color has a slightly different wavelength. Every color has a unique frequency, unique wavelength compared to other, yeah. So wavelength for red is greater than the other light. Wavelength of violet less than the other light. You know that wavelength is different to each and every colors. Yeah. So this is because each color has a slightly different wavelength and refracted at a slightly different angle. Because in that case, in that area, light split into concentric colors. But that angle is different for different colors. A red light, something like violet, something like green light, something like. Okay, because every color has a slightly different wavelength and it is refracted at a slightly different angle. So then this dispersed light reflected back on that inner surface of the water droplet and bounces back. Yes, into that front. Again, here the reflector light exists a water left bending again due to refraction. Okay. So you should know that what are that concept in this rainbow. Okay. So once refracted and dispersed and reflected, the sunlight split into formation of rainbow. So color always appear in the same order, like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, with GR. Okay. So sunlight is not a single color. It is blend of all colors. It is blend of all colors from red to violet. Each color has a slightly different wavelength, and this affect how much it bends. Okay, because uh, the bending of red light is different to that different from that violet, and the bending of violet different from the yellow, and the different bending of yellow which is different to that green. Okay, so we have to know most important that two colors, that is bottom top color, red and violet. So red has longer wavelength. That's why all the um, signal has a red light. Yeah, in tower, in the top of the tower, also red color is there because it has a longer wavelength and it bends less. It less bent. Okay. So violet, it is shorter wavelength. So it bends more. Okay. Clear? Clear with that? Okay. So now I will draw one figure, which is the combination of all these concepts in a single picture. How, sir? So first of all, this is sunlight. Okay. Sunlight coming to this. So here is a water droplets. Water droplet. Okay. So sunlight coming to this. So in this area, light split into concentric colors. So concentric colors. Okay. These colors. So I will write in that like this. Okay. So this will go to that here, and here reflected and refracted, and here. Okay. Refracted again. So in that case, here refraction happen. Yeah, refraction happen. So this is reflected. So inside of that inner surface, so total inside, total internal reflection. Total internal reflection. Again, here also refraction. Okay. Again, here also refraction. This color split into concentric colors. So this effect known as, this concept is known as dispersion. This concept is known as a dispersion. So suppose one man is standing here. Okay. He sees rainbow from this. Okay. From like he sees a rainbow. Red at the top and violet at so you can imagine that this is violet, this is red. Already I told you that is with GR, violet, indigo, orange, yellow, like that. Okay, so he sees red at the top, top, and violet at the bottom. This is the formation of rainbow. Clear with that? Okay. This is a formation of rainbow. So here another one concept is that is um, primary um, rainbow, secondary rainbow. But it is not a very difficult concept. It is very simple concept. That is primary concept. Primary rainbow means nothing but it has only one reflection. Okay, so it has only one reflection. The primary rainbow is caused from that one reflection inside the water droplet. Suppose secondary rainbow means second reflection. So these light are coming into that and reflected back to that same medium and refraction. Suppose secondary uh, reflections is there, secondary rainbow is there. Secondary rainbow is caused by the second reflection inside the droplet. Okay. In our atmosphere, we can see that. For example, this is very clear rainbow. Okay. This is primary rainbow. Begin that, like faint rainbow is also seen sometime faint. Okay. Very thin layers of color. So this is called a secondary rainbow. Okay. I will show you one simulation about this concept. Okay. I will share you. Okay, 1 second. I will. Okay. So here you can see how the sunlight enters into the droplet. This is you can see water droplets there. Okay. Sunlight coming into this. This is sunlight. Okay. So sunlight. This is water droplet, and the light here refraction, and here reflection, here again refraction again. So sunlight coming through that water droplet and exits another phase of that water droplet. Okay. So in that case, I will please. Okay. In that case, now it is a initial stage. So first of all, so primary rainbow rays. Okay. So rainbow coming, light rays coming, and inside the water droplet, light rays refraction and reflection. Okay. So now you can see the rainbow formation. Yes, clear. So red to violet is there, rainbow is there. Yeah, we can change angle little bit higher. Okay. So now you can also see that rainbow formation. So sun is there, water droplet is there. You can now see that formation of rainbow. This is primary rainbow. Okay. Now this is secondary rainbow. Already I told you that is second reflection is called secondary rainbow. So in that case, you can see that one reflection. So sunlight is the black color light. Okay. So here one reflection. Here second reflection. And after the second reflection, light rays coming into this surface and coming into this surface and refraction or bending. So it is called as secondary rainbow formation. That is by the second refraction. Now you may clear with that. Okay. So in that case, rainbow formation like that. So you can see rainbow formation. So like that. Okay. So we can change one small increase of angle, because angle also important. Okay. So now you clear with that. Also, yes, secondary rainbow rays. What is a concept? Began with the secondary rainbow rays. Okay. This is clear. You can see that very exaggerated mode of rainbow formation. Yes. In realistic, like this. Okay. So what are the concept here? Reflection, refraction, dispersion, total internal reflection also is there. So dispersion means splitting of white lights. Okay, splitting of white light into its constituent colors. So light rays bending from that one medium to another medium, it bending due to its wavelength, because slightly wavelength already we know that, and speed variation. That's why the light bending from one surface to one medium to another medium. Clear with that? Okay. So rainbow formation, white light passing through a raindrop or a glass prism or whatever else. So that white light split into concentric colors, dispersion, and light rays instant encounter on the inner surface of the raindrop and reflected back to that medium. This is called reflection and refraction again. So formation of rainbow is there. Clear? Okay. Thank you. We will discuss another topic in next class. Thank you. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind, Jai Vidyasati.